Hello.
Hello.
How on?
Well, I'm sorry, I'm there though.
You don't look so stressed out and look lonely.
So, no. You know, say, I mean, I'm a woman catch up in all of the disagreement. And I just pack up my things all left correct. I'm just tired of certain foolishness. I tell you the truth. So, right now, I'm not even much for me. I go.
If you pack up and finish, I think I'll put you out.
Put out who?
Put you out.
Put out.
I'll put you out and hide it. Because there's no way you don't know if you go and pack up bag and come out the house.
Me don't know about that. But, girl, me not tell you that. Right now, I'm just stressed out. Because I don't know what I go. But I know so I can't handle this. I can't keep up with the foolishness. And all if I put me out, which is a big if. I mean, tell us no woman put me out. I think bigger than that. But
that's small if. Put you out.
Big if he put me out, I still don't know if you go. And I don't turn out the foolishness either way. So, right now, I'm just there. I go look on like a cardboard box to catch up on there or something.
Oh, you don't have to go in a cardboard box. I can help you, you know.
Oh.
I can put you in my house.
Oh, you don't like me?
Nope.
You just want to put me out, sir.
Cause me have a kind of heart from the swamp. You look lonely on the road and you don't know if you go. So I say I could have put you in my house. The only thing I ask of you, please, don't be a nasty man.
Oh gosh, man. No.
Don't be a nasty man, because I don't like the nastiness.
No, man. We're the cleanest thing ever, man.
Yes, but may you get your own bed and thing.
Oh, we not sleep together then?
No, coming out. No, I don't want you. You know, get your help me and help you.
Alright, man. Understand.
Yes, you look all hungry too. You can buy something with that $100, yeah.
Well, you're a good girl. Out my house, I do. Come on, no.
Up the road. But I forgot to come because you don't know where I live.
Alright, thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is KAYLA. What's yours?
I'm Davene. Nice to meet you, KAYLA.
Oh, nice to meet you.
This little girl never wanted to defend it. Why it tells me. You come up for help me?
No, may I go up on the road?
Go up on the road?
Yeah.
Hey, me notice a road you live on. Eh? It's daybreak a road you want go on, so. What the roads do you want?
Road. Just like road.
No, sir. Me notice me want to talk to you now. And me notice from where there, you're coming with an attitude. Like say, you is the mother and me is the picnic. Huh? You can't even look at me when I talk to you. You come with an attitude like a what? Huh? And every minute you want to go road. Well, hear what me I tell you right now. You see the day you turn 18, try find somewhere go. And me and you can't agree.
You can't put me out of this.
Me can't put you out of what?
I already did this, you know, and they left this, you know. You can't put me out of this.
How old you be? Not 17?
Yeah.
Okay. So, even though your daddy gone, is more than 17 years, me and him, they more than the legal 5 years. So, by law, learn, little girl, learn before you open your mouth. I can't wait, so I've been giving you notice. Try no say you is 18 in the next 4 months and 13 days. Try no on your 18th birthday. But if you want to go before me now, stop you.
You still can't put me out of my father's house.
Watch. Are you going to start paying rent yourself? And you know say, unless you go to the graveyard, you don't have nobody to help you.
And I got make my parent.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
If you did come with a better attitude, me and you wouldn't be having this conversation. But the amount of time me and you chat, and it don't mean nothing to you, little girl. So, you want to act like an adult, not treat you like an adult. So, when you reach 18 legally, I gone, you gone. But like I say, if you want to go before me now, go stop you. Because 2 ducky can't read the same. And me know me a ducky conqueror. Oh.
Me don't talk to you.
Hey, don't talk. Count down, too. Count down. Count down.
Come. So this is a place. It's not much of a wild house. It's a board house, 2 rooms and an inside kitchen.
Oh gosh, man. Thank you so much. It's a whole lot more than me. So how much room is a 2 room?
Yes, 1 for you and 1 for me.
Wow. Wow.
So, as I said before, I know too like the nastiness. So when I get up at my time, I like to walk through the room then, you understand?
Yeah.
So I like to see the bed spread up, and I like to see no and I use the bathroom too. Cause somehow no man I use the bathroom, I like to hang up on the underpants up there, hang up in the bathroom. I don't like their style because I know y'all don't live in the house.
So no man, you don't have to worry about that. First thing we know wear underpants, so that will never happen.
We wear panty?
No, brief.
Oh.
No, we're just sitting down, man. So you don't have to worry about that. But you know, why
Some
else?
things say baby wear brief.
I don't know what, but where's that still?
Yes, so that's that, and you know, we can take turns to clean up the place. Like, turn clean up your bathroom and then something there.
Yeah.
You understand? Because I don't think me do everything like when you movie, you know? So I'm going to help you until I get back on your feet.
I really do appreciate it.
Yeah, so when I get back on your feet, you know, you can move out at that time.
Alright, I understand. Once again, I really appreciate it, Kayla. Thank you so much for taking me in. Yeah, you're going to show me?
Oh, yes, come on, let me show you the room.
Boy, if me didn't just know your mother hug you.
Come in.
Wow, you're down on your phone though, you don't even see me.
Oh.
Go on.
I want girl feel like he's smarter than me, man.
I'm have to rise early to catch you.
Yeah, I try for chick eye, but I'm pregnant. Yes, and you want to do ultrasound. Oh, you pregnant 1 month, I want the ultrasound. Eh? That's impossible.
I saw your back
So, you know what I mean? You know, I use my head some to babe so much for the ultrasound, you know. We check one doctor and the doctor said 25,000. You know, say, man, something I look for that way. I want to know how 25,000 for ultrasound.
Come in at this.
So what I want to do?
Well, every day I give thanks. I'm just tired out, but I give thanks because I have a broke bad daughter at home. It's just a mark time. It's
What do you
just a
mean by
mark
broke bad?
time.
Money.
All that too. All she want give me, all me there for is attitude.
I ain't turn up in the throat.
Hey, if me fi stand up in her throat the way me want stand up in her throat, a jailhouse me I go. So me now make she or nobody else.
Nowadays, them a government here fool. Because when you are little put them to the right, they will have to get that prison.
And look how me and you grow up and that and they never do no harm.
When we was younger, we never have to go through them with our family, our parents. Then the time there was, if I could go back in those time, I would live in those time when I could left my door open.
Yeah, man.
No, you can't do it.
Oh God, you're afraid to say good morning.
Me
good
feel
evening.
like how when they put in the chemical, in the food them
Yes,
now.
the food and the water.
And we are taking you with picnic, they blow them up and turn them in our adult before time.
That's true. A beer
Then
chemical.
notice that back then, people at the period until them 14, 15, 16. Now, all 10, 11 as the period.
And not so much monkey did around Jamaica back then. Everybody, you want the food and the hard food and starch food, but you walk it out and walk and sing.
But
And I like no.
again, the burger and the fatty food, they're not good.
And the taxi. Nobody know what go to school no more, you know.
Yeah, well, mono wrong them still know, you know, because when they walk, you sweaty and you have to more work that. But back in the days, it was less stress. But now the sun is hot, it's like this,
Yeah,
the
more
earth
trees
is
is
getting
about
closer
for
to the
true.
sun. But, you see your daughter now? You have to show her, say, you is the mother.
Yeah, man.
Yes, when you're making talk to you rough and you calm your voice down, and you stay in your corner,
Wrong woman.
you might go pick on you every day. That's that.
Me just.
Next thing is some man coming upon you.
Hey, pan who?
And you have to stop
And
start.
my husband got no other man come in there unless his family.
You check up a man like coming.
Hey, me a widow, you know, me free single and disengaged.
Right, so take up a man like coming so we can angle that for you.
Well,
Me have the machete, you know. Me never left the machete. I will slap her out of the machete and go to prison for you.
me prefer put her out. Me give her ultimatum so she knows say time I go and clock her tick.
No, you can't put her out.
Yeah,
no.
man, she soon turn 18, you know. Me not do it before 18,
Oh.
she soon turn 18. And since she act like big woman, as soon as she turn big woman, cause two duppy can't reign in the same house
Good.
and me a duppy can't
Because you can't put her out, but she can't come out. I mean, I understand how this stupid law come out.
I'll marry too, as long as she get parent consent.
Married her.
Yeah. As
Yeah.
if anybody would
You
want
see,
her.
my little daughter, what me have up there, with just 13, ever think him bad.
Hey, me know how you
Miss-
can already.
Miss period date.
No,
Fingernail
man, she's
start
a
gone.
good girl.
Huh?
She's a good girl. She not broke me like mine.
Oh. You can't swear with no girl picking it.
Or boy, anybody, man
You
or
just
woman,
sleep
a
and
man a
boy
liar.
I jump through window, not trust none.
That's true, yeah.
I remember me tell you, it's when you go home, put your foot down and
stop.
jape her up. If you can shut her 2 backs, you do it. But make sure you shut your eye because you will no back her.
Take care, walk good.
You know how me well want buck up her finger like you. Stop this up. Why you are the angry your mother like say she are your sister or you are the mother or something? Why you the angry mother so?
You see, well, between me and my mother, you don't come between me and my mother, yeah?
So what you talk about? Am my friend that? That is my friend. So me have to defend her. You are picking, you are a child. You don't reach 18 yet. As a matter of fact, even if you did 18, you're not supposed to talk to your mother. So because your mother give you life.
Listen, nobody can tell you how to talk to your mother. Don't tell me how to talk to my mother.
You ever know what happened to Pickney? Where unruly to them parents. Pickney where tell jump to a window at night time and go out and come back in. Some of them not even come back alive. You know what news? You know see how much of them are missing.
That's
You know
them.
see how much of them make them left their yard go there and then they come back at them parents alive. Then at them body bag then find in a river or in a pit. Look how much people they find in a pit. Look how much people are finding in a bush. What I'm doing now?
So where you take up me and my mother business for your head for? You don't have something else to worry about?
Worry about what?
You don't have some...
Listen, actually you don't understand the true meaning of me and my friend. She work hard to send your backside go to school. Her husband dead all long, your workless pooper. When they in her mind you. And she still love her. And when me tell her, say left the man, run the man, left the man, run the man. A thief your pooper got thief and to your mother afraid to tell you. A thief your pooper got thief, make them shot to kill it.
So tell like I'm father. I must you thief again.
So you don't believe?
No?
Yes, when you go up, ask your mother what murder your father. Ask him when you go up there. You know, too disrespectful to the parents. You know when your mother go to, you know what loan your mother have to borrow to send you to high school. Eh? And then as a graduate and him put you through 6th form, you tell you one way you don't want to go at 6th form because school so stressful.
Sir, listen. I put my mother and my business for your head. You don't have gas to buy.
No worry your head. Me soon be a stepfather when we can box
You
off
could
head.
never be my stepfather.
Alright,
Never. My mother not look for something like you.
Alright, no worry your head. Any day I become your stepfather before you're 18. Me slap off your head.
That
Remember
will
me
never
tell
happen.
and when you get 18, I make sure me put out your backside out the door. Say go.
None of you can put me out of my father's house.
Your father know how your mother Billy.
I'm a father, Billy.
Where did they build your papa the see me? With gun in her waist.
You must know because
See
you
me?
watch him. A long time you watch him.
I was your father, ringleader.
Oh, I know you want to come date my
I was parring with your father and I do some bullshit and I realized that it's not right to go around and accuse people and taking away people things. When we realize that your father I set up things and I tell lie about, oh, this man a thief, this and when me go there, no go so. So I quit and I come out. If me did follow your father, say I would there 6'6" and I'd tell you what happened to your father
I'm
right
a father,
now.
close friend.
I was not a close friend. I was working for him. I was her too, because I ain't like a girl too much.
You want to date my mother?
Nothing wrong with it.
Something wrong.
If you put you in a order and straighten yourself.
So you don't point head in my face because you're my father.
How are you doing? Yeah, you can't pat me on the face. You should not run. You wait. I want to be.
Why? Sun too hot, man.
I'm going to ask you a question.
Oh, you remember where you live?
I'm going to ask you a question. How much pick me on?
No, you won.
I'm fine.
Why you coming in this stupid question?
Let's ask him, let's ask
Your
him.
father, there's cemetery.
So, oh, you send your friend Popeye to come talk to me like him and my father.
Me send Popeye to you?
Yes.
For what? What him say?
You might come talk about why me and disrespect my mother. And
Yeah,
this
he's
and-
right.
Anyways,
I'm not lie.
anyways, you come.
Not even the evening, morning, or afternoon. Come with the bag of questions and if me cook. So you're clear 17, nearly 18,
But me not
and you don't know how to turn on stove.
I'm not 18 yet, so you're still responsible for me.
So if you're responsible, you can't go road. Then when me tell you say you can't go road, you can't go road.
Can't tell me that. Me about a station I reported them.
Okay, report me for.
Can you not provide no food in the house?
And when them come, they will see food there in the cupboard, food there in the fridge, all free Wi-Fi there for you too. So go along go report me if you think you're bad. Rank and out order.
Say to me afraid of you?
3 months and 6 days. That's how long you have
You
left
can't go
here.
and come out of the house and father believe.
Me want to see who going afraid of who in 3 months and 6 days.
Still on.
Okay.
You never take me out of the house.
Okay. Look how big me be and look how little you be. We're going to see.
I don't business about the size.
Let me tell you something. Me run things. Things are on me, yeah? Me run things. Things are on me. Carry your mouth and go into the house now. You think see me and your size? Go into the house. You think see me and your size? Rank and out order. Look like say Popeye right. I thought me should have done all this time. Watch me and her. Right, okay.
Mommy, you know cook.
Start again.
You say if you know cook.
Start again.
Why you not hear me? I'm telling you there.
Me no say it's afternoon now. And me no say me grow you up so when you come into a place and see people, the emphasis is on you to say morning, evening, good night, whatever.
Me
So
need to
start.
tell
Okay.
I need to tell them I remember me you sing it.
Start again.
You say if you know cook.
I true me want you come out to my face make an answer, you know. You forget what me tell you the other day? You're a big 17-year-old girl.
But me not 18 yet. What if I go around the stove and you just boom up and kill me?
Oh God, you better pray first then innit. That's why you pray over your food before you even start cooking.
What are you for provide?
Food in the cupboard, food in the fridge, food in the freezer, food there, all snack there, all biscuit there, so nobody can tell me something to provide. We just count down the days, 2 months and 5 days.
If you're not cook, you have to come out of the house then.
Me want to see the day name day, this little mosquito thing say you can lift me up and put me out of what?
I put me out, put you out.
Okay, day name day. Me want to see that day. Go along about your business. Me want to see that day, name day. This little mosquito bite, I go pick up this your dragonfly and put out a house.
Come out of the house. I'm not in an argument with you.
No manners.
Mama, I want to see you. Come go away.
I walk on there.
No, Mama, back up. Here, sun hot. Sun hot for you. I know what we're doing. Does that mean? Anyways, go on.
No, girl, nothing wrong. What about you?
Girl, me have 14 and I have to turn up on my foot to make my father know, right? You understand me?
I walk now.
He might come from a girl yard, right?
Yeah.
Carry dirty clothes. And the worst part when carry girl dirty clothes. He want me if you wash it door, both dirty clothes them, wash plate, make sure saying food cook and he clothes and sitting for work and everything. Me have to say, no daddy, you could have never so bright you come from a girl yard and want me to do it.
Yeah.
No, I don't say go.
You go tired of it too.
Bad. So what going with you?
Say girl, my mother she. But she want me cook this morning after I get up and ask her if she cook. But
So she not cook.
she not cook, girl.
So you say mommy cook and she not cook.
No, I'm not say that to her. I'm afraid of her. She not cook.
Mama,
girl.
afraid of her for how much?
17.
Okay, so you're afraid of her for?
I don't know, girl. I don't know, but this morning she talk about for cook and so. So I tell her say she want me go on the stove and it bang up and analyze me.
Mama, let me tell you something.
I'm 14 and me run my father head. 14 maybe and me running head. If me say daddy run, the same blaze gone. And you're 17 and you tell your mother say mommy cook.
Yeah.
And make she cook. You don't know style girl?
No, girl.
So what you eat this morning?
Nothing at all.
So she not cook? So you can cook though?
No, girl.
Okay. Me says that me have to go teach her the road. Me can come with me yard one day.
You have to teach me.
Yes, mama, cause you not going good at all. One big 17-year-old. And me just 14. Right now if me go down, you know what? Me not go there so. Anyway, here look what I will pay for.
My man pay for it.
So your man not get food? You say you not eat nothing from morning. You want to pay man?
They at work.
Oh, so you not call him and say be me hungry?
No, I'm not calling him yet. I left the phone in the yard, in the house.
Okay.
I'm hungry this morning, girl.
You not turn the dead for you hungry, mama?
Breakfast with the
Oh, when I reach here, I tell you, say, mommy, have food, me want you. And she pick. You know what? Here what? You know if scam man?
Yeah, girl.
You know if scam man?
That day I'm back on my head.
You say you have man.
Yeah.
According to you say you have man. Because you want people to believe you have man. Do you know no man? Anyways, girl, we're going to go out on the road and we're going to see if we find 2 man, we get the money for them. Because so me live, you know?
Yeah.
So me stay. Scam man. So, come over scam 2 man.
Yeah, girl, I won't do. Hello.
Hello.
First thing. Sorry, I never mock on the door, but I'm not used to having somebody in here, that's why I never mock. You know how yesterday I asked if you want little something. Eh?
What that?
So I don't want to be nasty.
Nasty though.
Look at that on your shirt over. Jesus. Shirt not stay upon here, so young man.
No, I just me just how you come. Not even better.
Look on the time a morning. After 12, we are doing it in a bed said we.
I say me tired and I just out me clean up the place and I just show me just how you come.
If so, look at my people yard. And I must wake up earlier than the people and clean up the place, make the people them say yes.
So me pick it up at 4 o'clock to clean up your room then go back to sleep.
Yes! I could have a 4 o'clock, at 12 o'clock, I couldn't get up at 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock, one to the time there.
Must me explain some of my life hard and yesterday are tough.
Your life hard, that means you shall wake up this morning and go on the road, go hustle and try make something. You live in a bed like you're a princess. You're a princess?
So when I can't go on, so I first day, you know, I'm gonna get one good night's rest and you ridicule me like I do the worst thing like me use the plate
Me
and
not.
feed the dog.
Ridiculing you, whatever you say the word wrong, but I'm not doing that to you. I'm simple as you say, you're a big man. You can't want to learn a bed until 12 o'clock. You have to go on the road, go work. Because how will I feed you? Right on me out only. I can't find that money because right on me want something for the shop, want something for the road.
You give me money now.
Hold on there. Hold on. If I go find my room and come back. Hold on. Wake up now, man.
I'm not asleep, man. I just
Get up, man, Davey. Get up. Me hungry. Go on the road and buy something for you. Buy 2 for rice and 2 for the chicken back. You eat chicken back?
yeah, man. I'm not ready,
Yes.
I'm ready.
Go on the road, go buy something. Go and jump in bed and something. Go on the road. Buy something.
Which part of the shop then?
Go and shop down the road, Alice. Go Alice. Go Alice. Here? You don't hold you from a people yard. And you just say you have to put up bed. You're in a bed. Much o'clock.
Girl, if you see one man, show you. Yeah. Yes, girl. See one man and show you how you're strong. Oops! I never saw you.
Oh.
Hi.
Hello.
So what's your name?
My name. Yep.
Yes, what's your name?
You know,
I like the shirt material, you know, it's nice.
Thanks, I Gucci. You know, so I have my name. What's your name?
My name Tiana. Shirt fit. Hang up his body. Must work, let me see. Wow. Nice.
So how you come from Tiana?
I up there, so we come from, you know, and everything.
Nice. I see your hand is soft.
Soft and nice and fluffy like puppy. So, Davey, you can't buy me one juice.
One juice?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, man, money at least, man. I really walk with my 5,000 and stuff, but this must can't buy you from them. So.
This is okay, thank you very much.
Alright, no problem. So, Tiana, I can't get a number.
I'm going to go down there, so. One next time we will meet up.
Yeah, sure. I can follow you now if I don't have your phone.
No, I certainly am not going to deal with.
Oh.
So one next time, yeah?
So, when you get it?
Yes, Chang man,
Alright.
alive. Come on, girl.
I'm for buy a shop again. Right, take the 9,000 and I give them. Forgot to tell him say money lost.
At least no son no hand here, so. So girl, you see it?
Yeah, girl.
Use the bumper catch the man. And he didn't even know some me are 14. And me I tell you, me run my father head.
Sure.
So you see everything?
Yeah.
Okay. And the poor man don't know say just the money me want. You see them pop out 1,000 again, girl? Take it, cause you know when we get bigger money.
Sure.
Me see you look on the man. You like him?
No, girl.
Okay. If a man say I like him, just say yeah. If you ask for your number,
Yeah.
one next time when you see.
So you like him?
No, mama. I just the money me want. If you know so me have 14 to backside. I decide done.
So you see the way you rub him up like you have to
Because you have
date
to
him
flirt with them to get the things what you want. So you see how good the next time I buck him up?
Yeah.
It's a big piece of food me get.
Sure.
So you have to go on, mama. So you depend.
Nothing, girl. I'm just there. I go and relax. When
I have some clothes in that machine, you know. I come go down. I follow her.
So what you gonna do, girl? Split the money. Come on, girl, right now. You know.
Mama, you will get 300.
300, yeah?
And who did the work?
But I told you that.
This a bumper you catch it, remember?
Alright, you know what kind of
$300.
friend you be? 3 business.
You want me drop it to 2?
3 is no, girl. Alright.
Come on, man. You know you're craving stuff.
You dip in the night kitchen?
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm gonna look for something to eat. Okay, I'll look for something.
Yeah, man. Are we the same for buy again?
2 pound of rice, 2 pound of chicken back.
Oh. And how much for that again?
I don't know, around 1,000 I must can buy everything.
Oh, so
2 pound of rice around $300. I'm gonna buy 2 pound of chicken back. I'll put chicken back there.
alright.
Could I buy?
I'm stop before lunch. I'm not growing, you know, so I lost the money. I'm so sorry, like, I don't know what happened, but I lost it. I just did a walk and reach a shop, I order and I order everything. Because if I pay the shopkeeper, I deep in my pocket, I want big hole in my pocket. Big hole in my pocket, so right now, see, yeah, big hole. Right now, my phone look like it'll drop out, thank God, say I see me sleep on the road and now I can come back, so I'm so sorry about that. Anytime I work in money, anytime I work in money, I give you back.
You lost me $1,000?
I give you back, man, just give me some time.
Big man, like I lost money.
Nah, for a beanie, I tell you I'm sorry.
Alright. Alright, Jesus. Me have no me money. Alright. Going back a shop. Go buy 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of chicken back. Open the hand this. You come in and give me a little son. Roll it up. Roll up on it tight. Don't let it go, don't even push in your pocket. Well, in your hand and go on, because I can't miss the last one.
Alright, thanks, here, thanks. 2 pound of rice and 3 pound of rice back.
Chicken back,
Yeah,
2 pound. Lord, I got big man lost money. And then my hard time, yeah.
Papa, you want me to come to? Why, we just want to have a little word. You have a minute for me?
Yeah, man.
Alright, you're busy though.
Yeah, you're wash, you know?
I just want to come say thank you. Me hear how you meet my daughter Pan Road and deal, little Renka's gal, and deal with her for me.
You ain't learning how to do.
Well, it look like say it work. Cause yesterday, man, she come in and this morning, yesterday, she come. and rank with me. I'm do what you say, you know. I step in her face,
Good.
man. You want to see how the little
Which
thing
part in her
button up?
face, Steph?
Hey,
Which part in her
foot
face?
and mouth. Foot and mouth in him.
Where you tapping her face? Which part in her face?
In her foot and her mouth. Everywhere. Everywhere. Foot, mouth, nose, everything.
Oh.
Right? And it worked. She keep her mouth and go in.
I know it's a walk, man. You know.
But it don't really work too good, you know, because this morning she come out and asked me if me do nothing for breakfast. So when me deal with her the same way, she just stuck her teeth and go on the road. Yeah, man, that
Just see them the picnic there. I don't want you to think evil, things that I think evil, you know. But if you get up and order if you make breakfast, as a big old in house who hear thing, if you can put look a fancy in a Pepsi game, you know. That's in a walk out instead of going to tell it all day with them.
Aye. Like that.
You teach them a lesson. People like them, they will come in with belly.
Yeah, man, I'm not want that. I can't
And
manage
them
one
young boy nowadays don't want no pitney, you know. You see the moment a boy nice, you fancy they love you. And when you're there with them, you start boast off and I say the man love you. As the belly start grow.
Oh, and run them.
The man, no, they don't run yet. I know, they run. They show look a sign of tenderness, love. But you see the moment you push out, that's it. Then God left you. And you, the mother, have to turn around. Have to take care of the pitney. And then she get up again and gone back with a different man. Come back with belly, the next
So
man
it's
run
too
off.
easy for them.
Right to the man they will want them. They don't want them, the man them.
Want it, can't get it.
They want the one them with the pants of them batty. With them foot back, you ever look on some of them foot back.
Rosy one them, yeah man.
Somebody time you see man them with all their hand up pants. When they drop the pants and you see it's like one shit stain in their hand up pants. We
And
don't know
that
how
them
girls
a
take
show
them up.
off. Like anything.
What do you have to see? You know Susie? Mrs. Susie daughter. I clean off one boy rifle. Yes. And that the boy they don't love beard because he must scammer.
Oh Lord.
When me look
Just
at me,
turn my stomach.
me see ever they feel me wanna shot it a box.
My one as rank as she could be. She
Me
could
want
never.
woman, you know. I spread to me wanna walk up and down with fear pitney, you know. Me say fear pitney, I broke out my pitney, but any day and day
You
I
have to be
find
careful,
out.
you know, with the two of them. Like
I
you said
go and give
earlier.
my-
Yeah,
No.
man. And that me I go start the two.
All she get up,
Mm-hmm.
me and him backside, I go question him.
I forgot to do the same. I go take your advice still.
Yes, be careful of them. They will say they go to prison.
And that me I
Me
advice.
go say allow them alone, but you know, make no sense because if you allow them and they go do wrong things, they go to prison.
Aye.
Kind of 18.
And I will say when them I go bite off them ears.
I
me
think
never
it's
train
18 you
them.
put him out.
Me I count the days.
Right.
Oh God, 2 months and 3. I can't wait.
As you see 18 come 12 o'clock, you pack your bag in the night.
11:59. What,
Right.
Which pack bag in the night? The bag pack long time is out the door then.
Right, you say happy birthday, my daughter. See the last money here. Bye bye.
If
And
she
that's
get
it.
If she get
I will check you later, yeah?
I see my taxi I come.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, yeah.
When we done wash up with me, I wash up.
Alright, blessing.
Yeah.
Why me I come?
Good evening.
Good evening. Eh? So evening, you know?
When I cook daddy cause
Where
I
you come
cook
from?
that I
Where they come from?
Road me I come off.
Road you come off.
Then you see.
Me hear one story say you want to look at Marcus girl out there so. I broke you out. Look at me how much.
14 daddy.
Any day, any day. Me hear nothing more about you. Me can see me right in front of you.
People are always talk and that they don't understand.
People
their
are always
man.
talk because you know people reach.
Oh, me and people reach. So them put road there. Me can't.
Here say no.
Yes, I can't go court.
Where does that level?
Yes, I can't go court.
You say can I go to court?
No, daddy.
If you ever shift, if you listen, me boil hot water and chop on you know.
Are you
Everything say,
police I come from?
I don't give a damn. I live life already. Nothing wrong if me go behind bar.
Me I live like
Me
so.
see cartel go around there and come back out fat. Why me can't go around there and come back out fat?
The only way I come back out unless I want a funeral won't come for you.
Check me.
No, them are rape off the end of daddy.
Your mama,
Mother.
Right? I don't business. She don't deserve to call mother.
Mama
Your mama, the moment him push you out, he left you in the hospital. I call and me come for you. Me could have did say wrong number. I could have said wrong number.
Me never stop.
If me did say wrong number, me would have me car drive right now.
Me never stop.
You know how much for the school?
But they have a car drive.
I
They
don't
tend
do
to a third, but no drive, they drive.
disrespect, my man. Let disrespect, my man. Your mouth want to wash out. How will you go? You wait. I want place to sleep. You know where your head.
You know, see me, little girl, you know, see me.
It's what?
Where you are come from this time of day?
How that concern you?
Say that again. Try that again. About how that concern me? Try that again. Right, you better know. I try again. Where you come from this time of day?
Off of the road.
Off of the road? You one?
No, me and my friend.
Talking of friend. Me here say, you little girl, I broke out Popeye daughter. Hey?
Papa daughter.
Popeye daughter Titi. You well I know who.
Me, I broke up Papa daughter.
Me get complaint. Say you, I broke her out. Hey?
me not
In
broke
your
her out.
dirty ways.
Me not broke her out.
You know I broke her out. Oh God, so me hear wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, well me know your reputation, huh? And it's bad enough say you rotten already. Don't broke out the little girl. She too young and innocent for you to broke her out and spoil her, yeah? Spoil her in your ways.
Nobody come tell her like for me, because I broke out nobody.
Hmm?
Me and I walk at that was school. School and how I will miss school and how I want to go back to school.
You miss school. The amount of phone call me get and trip from school for truancy for you. And you go miss school now? You think so me born yesterday? Me born big man. Me born big. So you miss school. Me an idiot man. Go on. Mark no, you know. 2 months and 3 days. Better know. Oh, think so me an idiot thing ya. I'm glad me find my daughter. Almighty
Yo,
God.
what you do?
Well, look like me pray for you because you need some prayer.
No,
you need
don't
something,
pray for
my
me,
girl.
pray for yourself.
Hold on, take a little
No,
prayer.
pray for me, pray
Almighty-
for yourself. Pray for yourself.
Almighty
prayer.
God, as I'm coming before you and asking
I
you.
don't want to pray, I don't want any prayer. Pray for yourself.
See, you turn down the God's word.
I'm not turning to God's way, but just pray for yourself. I pray when I'm ready for prayer.
Me never hear you pray yet.
Me nobody know for you when I pray. I'm praying on mine.
You are praying answer? Huh?
Anyways, just I go on the road, so make sure when I come back, food cook. And
Food cook, alright. Time today. Just know, say, you go on the road because you get ready for big woman ship. No problem. But remember, say that on the countdown, my girl. So, food in the cupboard and everything. Look after yourself because you're a big woman. You're a big rankers. You're a big rankers.
can't wait till my tongue.
Me can't wait neither. Me can't wait neither. Not even God word you can take, eh? You're a real demon. A bunny to bunny a king. Go along.
Hello. Me can't be saying other see you really there. I ain't carry out to Chimmy yet. Not even in bed, you're not spread up.
First thing, I should have said good morning. Because you see me there, so you're not even ask me say if me alright, if me sleep well. And you tell me about Chimmy where you use some if you carry. What kind of style that?
Me don't use a Chimmy. Clearly you sleep well because you left the bed. And I put it up.
Oh.
Then if you ask for that.
No, I'm a nightmare. I have that time. I get up and I catch fresh air. Because I have one bad dream where I see like one big monster come over me and I shout off at me.
You pick me? You dream about monster?
Why? You dream of reality.
A man say you call me boy?
No, me just a tell her about my dream and how some situations in a dream happen in a real life. So me not say you are the monster, but me I say you are short for me too, for no reason. Cause me just get up and I get some fresh air, me not even feel good and all me I hear. Me not feel good about it.
Me sound like a dog to you? Let me thump in your face.
Why you
Anyways, sorry. I just feel a mistake. Sorry, yeah.
like one dog?
But that's just something to me not bother.
Alright.
You know, see, I like it, but me didn't want to tell you at first.
You like me?
Yeah, so that's why I even put up in my place, you know. Me like you.
know,
But
I know.
you have some dirty ways you have to change, man.
Like what so?
Look how nasty behavior them. And you see the cooking, you need to pay more attention pan the cooking. Cause me see you cook mackerel last night and I tell you say you don't even just crush out the mackerel and take out the little bone out of the mackerel and you put too much water in at the mackerel. You could have ease off with some of the water. You don't know how to cook.
I don't know if I cook mackerel, because normally the girl that I deal with or the girl that I live with, they normally give me steak. They normally buy me burger and like pizza and things. So like mackerel foreign to me. I first me I do mackerel. Right now you should all tell me thanks. Cause right now a new flavor mackerel soup. You never eat that yet? We eat it last night.
Me speechless. Listen to me. No wonder them put you out. Cause you have some hype, nasty life. You want to learn on your burger and steak. You don't reach a steak level yet. Mackerel level is still there. You can't even cook mackerel for you go cook steak.
First thing, I don't need to cook. My woman they normally cook for me. Second thing, most importantly, I never tell us I get put out. That's the biggest misconception you have in your head.
Listen to me. And you see, I don't feel no way that you alone can cook. You know, say, me have one friend there. I look about some color low. And me I tell her, say, see, setting we do to the mackerel. I saw she journey. And me determined, say, me need that, so I just throw some cock soup on it and drink it as soup. Why you kill up your face?
You live in a ghetto, man. I didn't even eat.
No, honestly, me eat it, you know.
You want me, that's a call me over your place when you're there.
No, me tell you, no, you alone can't cook. So if you feel no way.
Oh, you can't cook neither?
No, me never tell you, say, me. You didn't when I started friend.
No,
friend.
But that's what I normally do. When I tell her, say, you know some friends say like you, but I like them.
Take them and talk, and my neighbor them think say me a chat them or something. Take them and talk. But anyways, and if you change somewhere, come like here.
Alright.
Anyways, you know, say me hungry and I want something on everybody.
I go buy for you, man. I no problem.
This a time I'm write it down on paper. Cause you look like your brain young, you won't remember. So, everything is on the paper.
Alright.
So go on a shop now.
You put up a bed and something?
Yes, me a prepare. When you come back, you predator.
No, you put up a phone.
Alright. Go on.
So what, my girl? Boy, girl, me just stressed out. Can't bother, I'm stressed out.
Until
Every minute, daddy a piss me. You want, why me don't know if you sort out him. So, I try to get rid of him. Cause, you can't let him me at 18. 4 more years than me 18. Cause every minute him a la, in my ears. Everything him says la. And then, the worst part about it, I should me not know mother. Mother pack up and go my mother yard.
that's true.
I me didn't even know my mother that. Me not go my mother yard. I just can't wait till me reach 18. Mama gone go live with man. That me going do. So boy you.
Girl, there's something when you say it work. Yesterday my mother come talk about prayer. Just run away.
Girl, you work for your mama, but you not work for me at all. Just can't wait till me reach 18. Go on like you want control me. Can't bother. I'm sitting here stressing. And daddy just annoying. Watch I see boy here come. Do what me tell us if you do. Your turn.
Hi.
Oh,
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
You alright?
Yeah, dude.
You want to pay your money?
Yeah.
Money, yeah?
No. But you're nice, man. Really, not sure.
Yeah, where you coming from?
What's that about? Thanks, yeah, look
Sign
over.
up, sir. Over there, sir.
Hello, girl.
Yes, sir. When are you, sir? I want one. Can you say your name again?
Davene.
Alright. Thank you. All this. Back to your mother, man. Go sit down. So, this is not how the business go.
What kind of business that?
Then I do EDP in my school, business, basic, and all of this. This is what going. Alright?
Yeah, I cannot take a video tonight. Me alright, what happened? You alright?
Never take a video?
No.
Okay. So you're alright?
Yeah, me alright. You
Or
alright?
everything?
Everything alright. Everything alright, right?
Okay, most of everything good is still. So, can I get the money for buy one double water for me?
On double offer?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one, no problem. I got the trust on.
Thank you.
Money, no problem at all. But then back to I tell us something, man, I know a problem that so remember you tell me say you give me a number so you let me get here now.
Yeah, man, you can get it.
Oh. Next time you ask me for
Next time you come by with carry big money, though.
next time you ask me for one triple offer, I throw my name plan. Alright, I'll call it tonight. You ready?
Alright.
Alright.
So you do this. Okay. Oh boy.
Kayla, Jesus Christ.
First of all,
Kayla.
which part me back there? Me want me
Kayla.
back to look boy me I look boy. You know time for your so the argument them right now.
Kayla. Say me I got shop. Me I got shop.
Clearly, me know say shop
Let
you
me
go.
catch him breath.
How about you?
Me I got shop. And Jesus Christ, boy. Me I got shop. And he's like, me don't know if me take one right turn or me take one wrong turn. A two big pit bull me see run off of me. Kayla, if a pit bull then taller than you, then taller than me. The biggest pit bull never seen in my life. Two of them. They start run me down. Me don't know where they sit on me. If I
No worry.
If I show me look good, or because they feel say me have money and they wanna send me for Kayla. This I first me ever run so fast in my life.
Me not talk about people right now. Where the bag there that me a talk about where they go buy the something them. Give me the bag.
When them a run me down, me take the money and fling off of them. As so comes me get where.
Yeah, idiot. You
No.
can't fling money off a dog.
So if me never do it, how would I get where?
You could take up 2 big stone. You know what I'm saying?
If me take up 2 big stone and take off my neck, yeah, you think me I eat that?
Come on, go on the road. On the road, me want my money right now. But you last, you fling money off a dog, you idiot. What that seat, yeah? What the paper this?
Oh,
The paper me write is something them pants in the shop like this.
yeah, I'm gonna see breeze blood some come so far, man. Me don't know reach us.
Excuse me, you girl. Come here.
Hi.
Come here, let me ask you something.
Why?
You don't see no pitbull about the place, yeah?
People.
Yeah, cause him tell me he said 2 pitbull run him down. Make him last the money I said him a shop with.
People.
Yes, 2 pitbull. You see the pitbull body? Come here.
Mama.
Come here. You see the pitbull?
No. Pitbull. Stop tell lie. You know, see Rufus too. Pitbull
yeah,
them
true.
run.
Yeah,
And him them run down.
Me tell you,
You see them a blaze back in my go up so.
me tell you, me have to fling it paper and the money off of them. Man, yeah, that's why I
Girl,
reach
money
us.
man take and give you can go and use it one kind of
How are you always
stuff.
pattern?
Yeah.
Me I tell she say, oh she did that laugh when the dog going down. Me I say you can't laugh.
Me near the job, you know.
Oh, you need the
Yeah,
job.
me near the job.
You're lucky.
I'm not lucky.
You're lucky because I think I did something else. You know
I'm
what
not
I deal with.
lucky. I saw me saw.
I'm gonna lick down you and you in a one.
You can't let me down. Me don't know.
I thought, come on. Go on down in the yard. But pitbull. Wait till me see Rufus. You know about pitbull?
Oh. You gotta see Rufus, mama. I eat 2 pitbull them. You see them, but I don't know. See them, mama.
Hey, thank God me live to see another day. Thank you, Lord.
Mama, everybody has the same routine. Why you can't get up and make little breakfast?
Same routine for true. Me get up and I clean and you get up and I moan. Huh? You can't do your own breakfast. Big 17, almost 18-year-old. Hey,
You're 17, so you provide for me.
any man you take up. Hey, you're fat today. Me must get up, clean the yard and everything and do you breakfast same time.
So that you have to do?
10 to the weight, man. 10 to the weight. Just like how you wait for dinner, just like how you wait for lunch and everything else. 10 to the weight. I'm gonna do it for you, man. 2 months and whatnot days to go, and I get my house back, I get my life back, and I'm free. Yes, I'm free. You still there?
Some for go. Now you have some leave.
Yeah, nah, go get your breakfast.
I have some leave.
Food there in the fridge, food there in the cupboard, gas there in the stove. I don't know what you're doing. You can't get up and smile and thank God one day. Wake up one of these days, man, and thank God say you're alive. And just give thanks. Every day is the same thing. Oh, tired of you. Tired of this. So what you want for breakfast?
Want egg and bread and a supper drink.
Okay. Egg and bread, dede. I'll dede. You want it fry or scramble?
What you go? Do you have a fry?
Oh no, I just want to know.
I
just want to know how you want it.
I waste my time.
Okay, so the time you waste with me, you know how the stove work, you know where the egg them there, and you know where the bread them there, and I'll shop down the road for the supplement. And I know where to get money with your rank self. Find the money, man. Find the money. Huh? Come on, ring for you every day. Son, I stand up and I look in my face like say, me name restaurant.
Come on, girl.
What one girl?
So what going for today? Come on, go and get the next mission now. Morning.
Oh, no, little girl. And I say go. You walk in and the first thing you say, especially when you see big people, is morning.
So I say morning when I read you, so you never did know this. Good morning. Girl, come on, go on the next mission now.
Missy, how it go now? All the time, me think say my daughter broke out people, little girl. And you are come broke out my daughter.
Never broke out nobody.
How old you been? 14, your papa daughter 14. And I come broke out big. Hey! Now me know where the childish attitude I come from. Me must see Papa.
Papa, what Papa I do?
In the name of Father.
So
and everybody I blame you. And me think say are you for true.
Papa can't do me nothing.
Papa him name too.
First thing,
okay.
Papa and my mother and mother, so Papa can't do me nothing.
Okay.
I'm the fire, so fuck real, yeah. I'm going to stay and tell the ladies to make breakfast. So you don't forget to make a lot of breakfast?
Little girl, she almost leave my yard. That's why me I blow hard and control my hand.
If you
me know your father. Your father give me permission to bust yourself if you rank with me. Rank with me again. Rank with me again. Rank with me again.
And my father himself can't beat me.
Me look like your father.
You don't want no can't touch a girl. She can't touch me. All that cheap out there, see?
Chipawa. In my yard, Chipawa. Take yourself out of my yard. Come out, Tanguan. Huh? Rankers.
Really? Girl, you can't bother with this. Come on.
Rankers, go on and drink bread and water.
Come on.
Dirty rat. Wait till me see Papa. Now me know.
Oh boy. Davene. Come here.
You know, Breeze going to our house.
Me alright?
Yeah, I'm doing well. How are you?
My fine. I like how you change your look of ways. I see you get up this man and pray for bed and everything.
And every day more you're done in my ears, you know.
If you want me done in your ears. Anyways, I sit up on the road this morning.
Again?
You talk about again? Me and you this time. Well, I'm on the money. Man, fuck. Put the money in your bag. So, you want to see if you dash it on dog. And you want to see if you lost it. So me I beg you please. Go up on the road, buy a loaf of bread. And 6 eggs and a cup of coffee. We split in a 2. So remember, me don't want no excuse at all. You understand me I say? You don't tell me no foolishness in my ears.
Don't worry about it, man. No foolishness.
Right.
No foolishness. I got a shot now.
Yeah, go on.
No foolishness.
None whatsoever.
Let me show you for this, girl. Hold on. You good?
Yeah, where are you?
Uh-uh.
You don't want to talk to this lady. You're good. Where are you with the girl?
Yeah.
When I go see you? Like start see you officially.
Officially say no money.
Yeah, me always have money, man, but feel like
You're
every
not
time.
hungry, girl? Yeah, girl.
Yeah, but every...
One more whopper.
Papa.
Yeah.
Me have a problem with that, but me have to know so when I go sleep.
Yeah, I'll see me later. We'll check me later. I'm direct.
You sure?
When I come down hill, over there, so when I come down hill, take 3 left right here. My house, step on it.
We can't take directions. You have to send me a location.
Alright, me send you a location.
Make sure, you know.
Yes.
You know, like I know you, you know. Problem for you generate money. All the money I know, at least. Just one, Papa.
But she want one too.
Oh man, tomorrow she get one.
No, she have to get one today.
Tomorrow I get one, yeah. I promise her.
Alright. I'm going to tear money into what make you yes.
Alright, tell her, let me show you something. Buy one Papa today. Tomorrow I get one Papa, you baby?
Okay.
Alright, so you say, look on me.
Yes, man, look more.
Alright.
Yes, darling, no problem.
Oh, hold on, look on. Tell her. Me just remember, me have some money on the road. Down at ATM. I don't know if you know and follow me go for.
No problem, we can come.
Come here.
Come.
Hello. Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. Give me my money. Give me my money.
I know you have money.
Come up, yes. Are the people that run it on?
No.
Are the people that run it on?
No, he might take this a girl.
People that?
No, this a girl that tell me say he hungry and he not no money at ATM. Me I go drive back. You know, I don't fear money this time. I don't want your man.
What money? Take money that back. Show me.
Well, I no man. I tell her say me I go drive back. Oh yeah, move so.
How you go drive back? What, Davene? Where you get ATM card from?
Me have one link. Don't worry about that. All me have to say is run the money forward. Because the girl ain't hungry, me can't keep sorry for people.
So?
My heart too big. That'll kill me in a life.
Yes, me see you later, yeah?
Come to make y'all deal with me one way about babes.
No, me.
But babes, come to my house.
Me don't know him. Me don't know him. Me tell you, say, let him.
Alright, you think me an idiot? I want, come on, we are good on. Good on the backside yard, man. Good on the yard. Stop planning idiot, yeah, man. Me don't like my idiot boy, you know. After me I spend money, come on, give girl my money. Good on the yard. Backside, man. Embarrassment.
So you say I go on now? My who? Really? We don't know of that. Take your father money. What? Take your father money and promise your father front. Alright, you know say a word. That's why I know today which front him borrow. I promise I do what? Because you see me, I had 2 pepper sauce over my yard. When I done pepper sauce that, he can't give to nobody else in the rest of his life. Yes! She have 14. You look, your papa never go there. Come with a prison. Although me and you stood there, I would have prison him. Alright. Now say a word. My friend there from. Alright. Why? We won't have a problem. So, man.
Morning, Papa. You
Morning.
good? Why?
Yeah.
Me come to give bad news and it sound like say you get some already. me go jump straight to the point. You know, say, your daughter come in my yard, first with no manners. I may get to realize something. Sorry for tell you, Popeye, but me have to cut it while...
What's she thief?
She not thief. She broke out my daughter. Me know my daughter wrecked from morning. But she come and carry my daughter, my almost 18-year-old daughter, on mission. Me have to tell her off,
mission
man.
impossible.
Mission, she take my 18-year-old daughter.
You know what me I do? Your mama, when your mama push him out and your mama left him in the hospital, you know. Me tell everywhere me go, me tell people the same story. Cause she feel like say, me not respect her. She don't want drink caramel porridge a morning time when they make caramel porridge. She don't want drink oats porridge. Me make her banana porridge.
They
know
know them born.
rich production.
Of course.
Right? She want egg, franks, nugget, fries. You look highly business them. Bam. For lunchtime, me tell her, I say, listen me. Banana, me a piece of yam and two dumplings. She don't want that. She want rice every day, morning, noon and night. She want to go down the road, go have a box food and burger.
And burger, aye. And
blow,
chicken and thing. Yeah,
feel the
man.
blow up on the nose, and then the chemical.
And poison themselves. And you can't talk to them, you know? Hey.
Every time I talk to the little girl, me feel like in my ear, but me realize everything I go through, you are stuck in a big head.
It not even got in. It just black so.
Tell the daughter, say, yeah? If me ever seen before you. Tell her, I say, see, if he don't stay to my daughter company, me go send him go to prison. Because he's older than my daughter.
Anyway you want to send her, because me done with her. Give me a countdown.
Because I never know that my daughter so wicked and bad. All along, I think that she a virgin. Because if he go around and I take man money and I promise him front, that means he might give front long time.
Lord, Papa, I didn't know about that one. Jesus. Because them just talking code, you know. Like say me not there. Mission.
I know me understand when they say like mother like daughter because his mother was worse.
Okay.
His mother used to take my money and promise me one time, promise me one time till one day me and him end up a party and he drink and drunk. And I remember say, he promised me and me take you when he get up in the morning. He must say, me did have sex. I say, oh, so you never promised me. Also comes his mother end up breathing and his mother go to hospital, his mother push him out, left him in the hospital and gone with man. Lord. Right now 15 of them his mother get me, that's what I'm telling you. Everywhere his mother go, his mother get 1 and 2 people.
Whoa! What's that rolling?
Everywhere he go, his mother get 1 and 2. What do you hear me see have one 15 of them? Few of them not even catch one yet.
Jeez. So she ready?
She breathe this year, push it out,
and ready again.
left the pitney, gone to a different man. We don't know when put up
in
that. Put up Kyle in her home. If you look like you don't get nothing yet. Go have sex, Kyle shift, breathe again. So him continue to do it.
That's
Go for injection through the port, him can't read. Missing injection date. Breathe again. I tie them off time off this time. When he get 4 and then in one, then we cut him tight. Then say, no, he's not married yet. But 2, he got 15 now, then cut him off.
Needs must.
Right then he see mama, you know him mama. Because mama did mark and now him mama big like a cow.
Must see. And stretch out.
No, I don't know about that.
Lord, man.
Because you know what a whole can done. No matter what you try. You could even push a light post down in it to come back so.
Lads, me don't know where you go, but all me know is mine.
But if you see your daughter before me, tell him what me say now.
Papa, it not even go in there, so
Because
you just step and calm down with that.
I two of them here can't go down a station. You know? One
Maybe
have to
them
go
can
to
deal with
prison
them
and one have
better
to go
than
to
you
cops.
and me.
Although cops don't mean no good to them when they can't have the security them up there, have sex
Yeah,
with
man.
them. To let them out. I want to hear them escape from cops. I lie! No go so. Take a one piece and say, run, girl, run! It's me I did that.
Yeah, man. Me know.
But anyway, check me later.
Yes, me just have to tell you though, because we did always
We have a
get it
job
wrong.
here.
Yeah, man.
Check me later.
Alright, bless.
Alright. Okay, I use this time. Okay, I use this time. What me left you? Where me left you this morning?
Yeah, yeah.
That two people attack. Una walk through the neighbor. And I take him on the money and I promise them where you know how.
No. We not talk, boy. I like people that tell power.
I like people like that.
Cause the way you talk, boy, I made that happen.
You don't promise nobody none.
I'm not promise nobody.
The ground. You don't promise nobody a ground.
Ground. God put it ground. People put the ground.
Girl, if I ever hawk in my hand and shut your backs, your sense come back.
Me don't know where you are.
And you follow this 14-year-old and you're 17, so when you 18, you don't know what you go to prison.
We don't know what matter when the shop where you come
Are you that?
One of them, that one there.
Because I want a little bit, especially that one here.
When?
When I go look for my man, I call my man babes and I rub down my man.
Hey, girl, don't tell her that about me.
And they walk and I take me low. And I walk and I take me put up for man over me yard. And every time I send the man a shop, they take all the money. 45,000 they owe me right now. I want it back because I go a courthouse for.
She lie? What she lie, sir?
Look at girl.
Me didn't even say no.
Look at
Mama,
girl.
you lie, sir.
Look at girl. You really gonna take a man 45,000 I know to me hardly a work. Eh? I know to me not no money. Girl, come here, sir. Come here, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't you understand? I get up on my bird paper.
Are you me a chat? You me pick me know your mother me shut your back say I too.
I do back back.
Listen me. Who said? Listen me. When they hear me a chat, you know, come up in it. Only if you have manners on to speak people for a chat. Yo, come here. Come. You know where you
So
see?
let me go to station and make them lock up here.
Well, yeah, make the girl feel like say she a big woman. I hear that of this?
No.
Let her fight and hold your daughter. You that feel like she have too much money. She a take my man money.
She.
Yes, your
I
daughter.
didn't take your money, lion girl. No, daddy.
And I tell me about people.
Let me ask you a question. You know her?
No, I force me
Hello,
a
but
fear.
yeah, when they take the money from the man, you know, they look for me and tell me about pitbull. Max, John, pitbull. I must see them at the pitbull.
Master now no people.
I who have a pitbull then?
Nobody now no people around here.
She tell me, wait tell me say pitbull again.
No, me know ya.
Give me this, I come like a friend. Give me.
What you want time? What you you want to walk people?
What you do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that? What big girl?
Hey,
You come here. Go over there, sir.
let it go, girl. Let it go. Well, I talk to your daughter, I know. Oh. You get that beat me from? Oh, where you feed her?
Are you a child or you adult? Which one? I saw you lick people with me. You give them some rich lick, me they have to protect you.
What your daughter?
Whoop.
Me nah go up a station, me nah go.
Take it off of me.
Oh,
Close.
where you come from?
Up the road, yeah.
No, that's a got cops. Don't worry about that.
You know what I'm see the boy, I say boy look homeless.
I take
Take
him
him up, put him in the house. Give him room for himself, he have to work. All you have to do is be clean. Don't be nasty. I'm gonna take her all of the spending.
So-
And that what this boy gonna 14-year-old?
How are you?
14-year-old? Me and him, I'm gonna put him out.
You want to see that boy? Can that boy forgot to prison for my daughter?
You will see him.
Anyway.
Bring him up the road. Up at the boardhouse. Up at the hilltop.
Oh, so we can see each other again.
Yes.
My name JJ.
My name KAYLA.
But you can call me Popeye though.
Alright, Popeye.
Yeah.
Yeah, you me I look for. Are you me I look for?
You're still free.
So where you go tell Popeye? What my friend I brought me out from?
No worry about your friend, and no worry about what me tell Popeye. You feel worry about yourself.
I know what I said.
Because you is the closer one to adulthood in that they peer. So are you Popeye plan for send go to prison?
Send you go to prison.
You must know. Whatever you and she plan do and achieve. On a try no. Cause prison cards they on the table for no. Oh.
Now only can send me go no prison.
Okay, cause of your law and a government law. Eh? Either you a broke out the 14-year-old girl or she a broke you up. But me know which one the law go believe. Because you is the big woman in this. Eh? So mind yourself and that me come to tell you.
But don't tell you what I'm for say already, you know. You can't take me to my father. Oh.
Okay. The pan countdown and dates mark up on calendar.
You know what?
So June the 17th will be my Earth Strong, because that will be the day I get my freedom. And little cockroach have to come out to the yard and me have the repellent feel. Oh, no you do. Oh, morning, my daughter. You good?
Yeah, well.
You want some breakfast?
So why you be nice and me not trust that?
When me mean, you're not trust and you're not happy. When me nice, you're not happy. I can be nice, you remember that? You see, because you not come out and huggish with me, what is breakfast, and me have got to do something for myself. Me say, make me come out and ask. And you never huggish with me first. So I'm doing something for myself. Do you want something to eat?
No, I'm good.
Remember that now, you know? Remember when you smell it and me I eat it? Now come with your fork and my plate.
Alright.
Can't spoil my mood today, little girl. Know yourself. Oh. This bad breed pick come back here in my yard. Go. Yes, you can go. No, go. You're still sitting down. How you love road, man. Go.
Lady, stop touching me.
Lady, my name or mommy. Don't forget who me be, because me leak in front of the company, you know.
Lady, no your place.
Know which place? Know which place? Little girl, me will deal with you, you know. Go on the road.
I'm not going.
You're not going?
Okay, I'm already that me I wonder.
Go, you have my permission. Hey, you know, go pan road, how you love road.
Wash panty and thing.
I like to forget do. No,
Girl, when you come pan road to your little pit.
Alright, girl, go.
And by the center of the road call you. Things don't change, but me know something you don't know. What the words?
You know how long me I look for now?
How happened?
I mean what happened because of Uno to me get put out. Look how the girl did love me off even though I never said it. And I spend one look chum change for me. And because of Uno it just get put out so.
So our fault?
Not my fault.
We mean it might be enough for your fault, but I definitely for your fault.
It should be my fault.
You know take me for idiot and take away money. Before you tell me say no, buy the things them, not give me all your money you.
Oh, me know say I got some gas.
Me no business. Me no business brother. Here I go and no go have to give me back every single dollar when I go now. Every dollar, all in 1,000 and 2,000 a burger.
So we need pressure and tell us what to do.
What you mean pressure me? Girl, you know say it is a crime to scam. You didn't know that?
You didn't know say it is a crime to attack to a 14-year-old?
What team? Alright, we saw a police officer about that.
No.
If you don't give me back or me carry no station.
Girl, who?
You not come.
Girl, she. Girl, where go? Me hello friend. Me not make sick of friendship, me go up. The man. One. The brand. No.
Come on. Every dollar you take me.
What is not this?
Please, remember me go police.
Mommy, me not lady now. Oh God, what happened?
Are your daughter dismissed?
Well, that's a strong word. But what happened?
It's first of all, good morning.
Good morning, son.
I've never seen her before. You look like a very nice lady. But you know, so your daughter and her friend has been scamming me, taking my money from me. So right now, I'm bringing her to the police station.
Yes. A right thing you for do. Right thing you for do.
Yeah.
This morning, me offer you breakfast. You say, I don't trust that. Me offer you for up on road. You tell me, no, I'm not doing that. I don't trust it. You should have followed your spirit and tan in the yard. Eh? Me come back around for talk to you. I'm give you a little props. Think say, oh, she to get little sense now. She got tan in the yard. Eh? Ghana Street got bring her straight to the police station. Don't bring her nowhere else. Here, I'm a daughter. I give birth to it. But only police can deal with her now and government to deal with her now. She a big woman.
Alright?
Me did one, yeah.
This, you know, business boy and your daughter business.
No, that's very strong words. Come on. And that's why the lick you give me earlier. Hey, you brute, you.